Brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. We do the homework so you can buy with confidence. Love our mission? Hit subscribe and help us make the next review even better. Hey, I'm looking at these two espresso machines, the Breville Barista Touch and the Jura E8. What do you think?
Oh yeah, I've heard of both. The Breville Barista Touch, that's the one with the touchscreen, right?
Yeah, it is. It seems pretty user-friendly.
Definitely, and it's got that integrated grinder so you can go from beans to espresso pretty quickly.
Exactly. The Jura E8, on the other hand, doesn't seem to focus as much on the touchscreen experience, although it does have a TFT color display.
True, but the Jura's got that Aroma G3 grinder. I've heard it's super fast and preserves the aroma really well. It also uses something called pulse extraction process, which they say optimizes the coffee bean extraction.
Okay, that's interesting. The Breville uses a conical burr grinder with dose control, which sounds fancy, but I'm not sure if it's as advanced as the Jura's. It does have a thermojet heating system that heats up in 3 seconds.
Yeah, speed is nice. The Jura has an intelligent water system with RFID technology for automatic filter detection. Pretty high tech, huh?
Definitely. The Breville counters with automatic microfoam milk texturing, so you can get that barista quality foam for lattes.
Ah, milk frothing is key. One review I read about the Jura E8 complained that it doesn't heat the milk enough for a latte.
Good to know. The Breville, according to its features, lets you adjust the milk temperature and texture to your liking. Plus, you can save up to 8 personalized coffees.
That sounds really customizable. What about size?
The Breville's product dimensions are 12.7 dx 12.5 wx 16 inches h, and it weighs about 21.8 pounds. The Jura is 21.7x 19.6x 19.1 inches, but only weighs 1 pound, which seems off.
That's a huge difference. The Jura E8 is a refurbished machine. That may be why. Also, it's currently unavailable, which is a bummer.
Right, that's something to consider. So the Breville seems more readily available and offers a more user-friendly, customizable experience, while the Jura focuses on advanced grinding and water filtration, but might have milk temperature issues.
Yeah, it really depends on what you prioritize. If you want something easy to use and readily available, the Breville Barista Touch seems like a solid choice. If you want something more focused on the coffee extraction process and don't mind potentially dealing with a refurbished machine, the Jura E8 could be an option, if it was available.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.